Welcome to Access Austin. The hook for this episode is that you can provide accurate captions for all of your YouTube videos for roughly $8 a month. For $8 a month, you can get 100 hours of access to Otter.ai's algorithm, which provides punctuation for the live transcription that it provides. Now you can take this live transcription and export it as an SRT file, which is the standard file used for captioning. And I am going to go over that in this video. If you're curious about Otter.ai's live transcription, please check out my previous video. I go over how to use Otter.ai on a mobile device and how to use it on your computer using the computer's microphone. So please check out that video if you're interested. But in this video, I'm going to show you a basic workflow that you could do where you can import an audio file of your YouTube video. Otter.ai will provide live transcription very quickly of that file and notify you when it's ready. And then you can actually go and edit that file to improve the captioning accuracy, but it does include the punctuation that YouTube Captions does not include. So without further ado, let's check this out. Let's get into it. So now I have loaded into my Otter.ai profile. And what I'm going to do is click on one of the previous episodes I've been working on. In this case, I'm going to click on the Domino's Pizza episode. And what you can see here is when I'm in Otter.ai, and this is the premium account version, which is $8 a month, I believe, or $100 a year. And what you can do with that is you can actually export SRT files. So as you can see, it shows the XRT. You can include the speaker names if you want, add a line for line breaks and the max number of lines and max character per lines. But what I really am looking to talk about instead of that is focusing on how you can actually do the editing. So you just click on the edit button here and you could go through the episode and make the edits. Now generally, honestly, I'm not really looking too closely at making these edits, but if you notice something that is an error, I think I saw one here where it mentioned 2008 when it should have been 2018, you could make a change like that. So I think that is really helpful. And again, it's very low cost to be able to do this. And now that I have exported the SRT, I could add that right into YouTube. When I upload this particular video, I could just attach the captioning and it would be way more accurate than auto-generated YouTube captions. I think the basic point is that this is a very low-cost solution that provides very accurate captioning, and that the bigger YouTube channels should really consider using Otter.ai for their captions. I think it would make a huge difference. So I hope you found this video informative, and if you're interested, please consider using Otter.ai for your videos. It will make your captions much more accurate than YouTube's algorithm. And if you take the time to just do some simple editing, you can have very accurate captions, which your hard of hearing and deaf users will really appreciate. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about how to integrate Otter.ai with some captioning software that can actually help colleges and universities who are doing tons and tons of captioning, because some offices are just doing captioning nonstop and are trying to develop workflows for that. So I'm going to be talking about that in my next video. So check that out, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching Access Austin. My name is Austin and I work full-time as an assistive technology coordinator, and I am dedicating most of my free time to producing content for this YouTube channel. If you are enjoying the videos, please consider becoming a Patreon backer. The link is in the description. If you have any accessibility needs or questions relating to assistive technology, accommodations, or website and PDF accessibility, please contact me at accessauston@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in to the next video.